All right, I'm gonna film something for a Crestron keypad. These are the CBF series of keypads. Very expensive, but manufactured very poorly. I'm gonna do something on here. I gotta put my phone down. 1 second. You can see on the button here, that black mark on the dim down button. The reason that's there is because when the cover plate goes over, the bottom edge here hasn't been machined accurately enough, so the button has no way to push down. You can see if I do that, if it'll focus, that motion sort of pushes it down a little bit. Well, that black mark is showing that it can't move down, and it's rubbing against the metal and making that mark. So basically, I cannot install this keypad. When I do, when that's over top, it basically just pushes down on the dim down button constantly, so nothing works on the keypad. So I just wanted to show that. Also, on all of these keypads, we had to file out the holes there on the left-hand side. On the inside, it was full of burrs that we had to file down. Just all in all, horrible craftsmanship. Thanks, Crestron.